commercial and residential cleaning services. Central Coast, New South Wales. For sale for the first time, this recession-proof business offers a strong presence on the Central Coast and contracts in Western Sydney. The company services national aged care providers, property management, strata management, and private commercial clients. Servicing properties on a day-to-day or weekly basis, the business also provides regular ad hoc cleaning services. The business has grown annually over the last 3 years, with revenue currently at $320,000 and profit at $180,000 per year. Everything you need is included, plus the opportunity to grow the existing customer base within all current clients.